Welcome to my channel, and here we are on basic technology for GSS 1 to GSS 3, this YouTube channel, where we provide very important information that can help GSS 1 to GSS 3 students as they are preparing for their Becker exam and also NECO exam. We are trying to give some information that can help them to do well in their examination when it comes to basic technology. Today I'll be sharing with you a drawing which is on orthographic projection. So we'll be constructing orthographic views in first angle projection. So this is the object that we want to produce its orthographic views. So this is an isometric block, and I've prepared a video that can help you to understand how you can draw the orthographic views of this object in first angle projection. Let's look at the video. As you can see on the screen, we want to produce the orthographic views of this symmetric block. And as you can see it on the screen being placed there, so just look at how I'm going to construct the orthographic views of this object. But before I go on to construct the orthographic views of this object, we are looking at this object in this direction. As you can see FE here, it means front elevation, that we are looking at this object in this direction. We want to draw the shape that we can see here on this object. So if we are taking this view here as the front elevation, we are going to see this rectangle 1 and we see rectangle 2. So we have construct this rectangle 1 and 2 as the front elevation. And mind you, rectangle 2 is going to start on rectangle 1. So we first of all draw rectangle 1, then we go on and draw rectangle 2. Then for the plan or the top view, so TV here means top view, or we call it plan. So the plan is just this rectangle 3 here. So this will give us the plan. Okay. Then the end elevation, this EE means end elevation. So we are going to draw this shape for the end elevation. So these orthographic views that we have to produce, we are going to draw them in first angle orthographic projection. So let's start. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is to draw a horizontal line of any length. So I will draw horizontal line from here. So I'm using my pen. You have to use a pencil to draw your line. Okay, so with this horizontal line that I've drawn, so you come to this side because we are building from the left to the right. So first of all, draw this line. Okay, then we take this measurement from here to here and draw this line. That's what we want to do. So for this line now, I will draw a vertical line here of any length like this. Draw a vertical line here. Now from this point, where this vertical line intersects this horizontal line, I'm going to take a measurement of to 6 centimeters. So I will take a measurement of 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters here. So this is 6 centimeters here now. So I have 6 centimeters here. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. Okay, so draw a vertical line like this. Okay, the next that we are going to do is that, so this rectangle 1 here, the distance from here to here on rectangle 1 is 40 millimeters, which is equivalent to 4 centimeters. So I'm going to take a measurement of 4 centimeters here on this line. So coming to this point here, and I can also take it from here, but I'm taking it from here up. So 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. So then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So that line is at this point. That gives us the whole of this rectangle. So I'm going to draw horizontal line at this point. So this horizontal line, so we have it from here to here. Okay, so that this rectangle 1 has come out. So the next thing that we are going to do is to place rectangle 2 on it. So the distance from here to here on rectangle 2 is also 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. So that's centimeters, we have already taken it. So this line that we have here now is stand for this line on rectangle 2 because we have the same line at this point. Okay, so this line will be merged together with this line and they will form one line. So we are not repeating this line again. So what we just need to do is to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from here to here, which is equal to 2 centimeters. So that's what we need to do here on this line. So I need to extend this line a little bit. So I need to extend it a little bit. So I will take it up a little bit. Okay. Then here also I will do the same thing, taking it up a little bit. Okay. Then I will come and take a measurement of 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters at this point. Okay. Then I will draw a horizontal line. Okay, so this is the horizontal line. So looking at what we have here, we have rectangle 1 and rectangle 2 in place. This is rectangle 1 and this is rectangle 2. So then, so the next thing I'm going to do here now is to bring out the outlines of this view. Okay, so I will use my black pen to do that so that we can see it clearly. Okay, so then this line I also need to make it a thick line. Then I'll also make it this one a thick line. Also, I'll make this a thick line. All right, so this gives us the front elevation. So we write F here as the front elevation. Okay, so we have drawn the front elevation. Now let's go and draw the plan or the top view of the object. So the top view, as I said, that it is this rectangle 3 that we have here. This is 30 millimeters, which is 3 centimeters down here. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to separate the front elevation from the plan. So just come down a little bit, and distance, but this is okay for me. So and draw horizontal line to this side. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that I will come to this point here and take a measurement of 3 centimeters down, that is 30 millimeters. I will take this distance, 30 millimeters, so 3 centimeters. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line from this point. So I will draw a horizontal line to this side. And also, for this horizontal line that I drew up here, I also need to extend them to the right side because we are placing the left end elevation, that end elevation, which is the left end elevation, we are placing it on the right side of the front elevation. So that's the purpose of extending this line towards the right side. Okay, now, so we have the rectangle for the top view or the plan. But there is something that we need to put into this drawing that is very, very important, which is one of the things that you look for in your work. And what is that thing? If you look at this shape, there is a cut under here. There's a cut under here. And that cut, if I'm looking at this object from the top down, I can't see this cut. So which means it is hidden from me. So to show this hidden part here at this point, I need to do something here. So if you look at the distance from here to here is 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters. And total distance from here to here is 30 millimeters, which means distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is that I will have to take a measurement of 10 millimeters from this point here. I will take 10 millimeters up. This is 10 millimeters here. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so now to show that part that is hidden, But before I go on to do that, let's bring out the outlines of this drawing. So I'll make this line a thick line. I'll come here, I will make this line here a thick line. Okay, then I will also make this line a thick line here. Okay, and then I'll make this line a thick line. All right. Then for the hidden part, as I said, on the top view or the plan, so we are going to draw short dashes line. So just put dash, dash, move away, put a dash, move away, put a dash, move away, put a dash, and move forward a bit, put a dash, move forward a bit, put a dash, and then a dash here. So this top view is complete now. So you can write top view here. So that is TV, or I call it a plan. So there's no problem, they're the same. All right, so now let's go and produce the end elevation. Let's go and produce the end elevation. Now, for us to produce the end elevation, we need a 45-degree set square, 45-degree set square with a T-square. Okay, so I'm using a T-square to draw. So if you have a T-square, please make use of it. Very, very good. So this is my 45-degree set square, and we are making use of this point here. We are using this point. So we set our set square like this on the T-square, then you move it to this point on the front elevation. So what are we to do? We have to draw an inclined line like this. Okay, so this line has divided this angle 90 degree into two equal parts. That is 45 degree, 45. So this angle from here to here like this is 45 degree. So let's pay attention to that. And this angle here is also 45 degree. So we divided that angle 90 degree into two equal parts by using the 45 degree set square. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is that wherever this inclined line touches the horizontal lines throughout the bar, we are going to take touches this horizontal line. This one touches it. Now, next that we are going to do is that I will take my set square, bring it to this point, and bringing it to this point. Here, bringing it to this point. Now, let's bring out the shape of the end elevation as it looks like this. Now, this point that we have in this point here, this point here, it's here and this point. And this point that we have here, it's also like this point here. Now, we are at the same point. This point. So, this point here, or this point, we have it at this point. So, let's get this point. Here, this line as the second point here, put this line, this go up to this point, to have the point. So this then the point here, or this point here, taking this one here, why this one here from here to have it on this point. So just on the same line, have it this. Okay. Then the next point that we want to get is this point. This point. So this point where we have it, from here to here, both together from here to this point. Okay. Distance from here to this point. Once this is from here to this point. So this is where we have this point. Now this point. Here, this point here. Give up from this line. Give up from this point. So we have point here. Okay. The next one that we want to create is point here. This point. So where we have this point, have it at this point here. On distance from here to here, extension. Have this point, have it here. So if I follow this line, so look at this point,
Yeah, same line. So what I just mentioned, so we follow this line, and then we have this point here, this here. Then we have this point, and this point, that's two up. Then I follow this line, so I have to follow this point. Okay. So what about the point that we have here? This point is here at this point. So I follow this line, and I go up. Okay, so I make sure to get the point here. Then the last point is this point. And this point here is also this line. Then it is not so this is where we are. What I need to do now is to bring out outlines of this object of this drawing. So then this line is also this also this point. This line also this line here also this line here also this line. Alright, so end vision also have that. So you can see here, front end vision have talk about this and vision so this so this use of orthographic use of this object such as drawn as so have any questions let us all those practice our student so thank you.
All right, so that's how to construct the orthographic views of that block. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us to share our videos with your friends who are also into learning of this technology in junior secondary school. Thank you and God bless you.